Just being the best version of yourself. I don't think you need to try to be anybody else. So I think that's always what I'm trying to.
Hi you guys, I am Sakshi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So basically I really want to give you guys a little life update before we get into this video. Okay, so I recently went on a trip. I am editing those videos right now for you guys. I'm gonna post those very soon. Another thing that I want to talk to you guys about is that my articleship is going to end in like 3, 4, 5 months, and I think that I should be posting more of that content for you guys, so I will start doing that ASAP. And then this video comes into the picture, which is me just like preparing for my CA finals. So basically the thing is, I think that I have been slacking, and I haven't been I don't think I was slacking, but I was just very busy with my articleship, and especially with the audit season going on, and then having so many assignments that I was working on so many assignments on which I was working on all by myself. So there was just so much that was going on, and even right now I have a couple of assignments left, but I think that I will never really have 100% of my free time to post for you guys and to talk to you guys. So we are here and we are shooting this video because I want to take you guys along with me on my journey to become a CA, and this video is kind of the foundation for that, and I'm super excited to take you along with me. From this video onwards, the content is going to be very much studies related, my CA finals related, and all the stuff, all the in between of that. So I really hope that you guys are going to enjoy that. Okay, so I'll stop yapping and we're going to get into this video. So this video is basically about just preparing and just like planning for my CA finals and organizing my studies for that. So I really hope that you guys are going to enjoy this video. If you do, hit that subscribe button, and now let's just get into it. So we are starting off strong and we are decorating my study space, my workspace, whatever you want to call it. I basically really feel that your space really describes how your mindset is, and having a clean and nicely organized and a little bit aesthetic place won't hurt anybody. Plus, since I was at it, I ended up also cleaning out my desk, because for some reason I just take out everything and put it on my desk, and then I feel very unmotivated. I just don't like it whenever I come back home and then I have to clean my study table to study. So I did this on this particular day, and I've decided to do it every single night so that I feel more excited and I don't have to worry about that whenever I'm back from work, and I can just like sit down and just get done with my night study session without worrying about all of that stuff. So once I was done cleaning and decorating my space, this is how it looked like, and it genuinely helped me feel a little bit more excited to sit down and study. Do let me know in the comments bar what else I can add to my study table. So once I was done doing the most superficial thing, that is just organizing and decorating my study space, it was finally time that I just sit down and get to it. So I opened my Notion page after like 1 to 2 years, and I finally decided to just like make a Notion setup for myself because I so desperately need one. Plus, I remember in 2020 and in 2021 as well, I was this Notion girly, and I used to be in love with it, and I would use it every single day, and that was one of the peaks of my study sessions, and I was just very productive at the time. And after that, I have lagged a lot and I haven't been as productive as I would have loved to. But over here, I am just setting up my Notion page and just like my CA final study space for myself and all that fun stuff. And moreover, I ended up creating a schedule for myself, and this schedule is basically for this upcoming 1 week, and we'll see what else we end up doing to it. So once I was done with that, I decided to do my nighttime skincare and hair care routine.
Not my heart.
guys, once I was done with my self-care, my hair care and my skincare routine, it was time that I sit down and get back onto my planning session. So over here I kind of used the manifestation technique of visualization and creating a vision board. So that's what I was doing. I basically really feel that as CA students and even as students in general, we just don't really see any output, and going on Pinterest and seeing what our future self can be like really motivates us. I went onto my Pinterest and I just scrolled on it for a little bit, and then I ended up going on to Canva, and then I just created a vision board for myself and what I want the rest of this particular year and then my 2025 to be like, mainly because in 2025 I will be giving my exams, and I just wanted a little push, and this was exactly the thing that I needed. So I just did that. Plus, this is something that I will recommend even you guys to do that, because visualization and like scripting and creating vision boards is super fun, but these things do work. I initially planned on making this video in like one sitting, but that didn't happen and I got super tired. So today is a new day and we're going to be organizing for my CA finals. It's almost 11 p.m. So today I got a great deal on Blinkit and I thought I'm gonna show you guys that. So basically there was buy one get one on the face shop, and it was exactly the opportunity that I was looking for. So I got two things from there. So I finally got their aloe vera gel, which comes in this very big tub. So then we have their tint. So today what I want to basically do is, first I want to study right now, and then I'm going to plan this upcoming 1 week of my life, because I think I usually take very long steps and I do like so many things, but right now I think I need to fix 1 week at a time. So I'm going to plan out my next upcoming week and I'm going to use my Apple calendar for that. So now I think we need to get started with our studies. So yeah, let's get into that.
कुछ उनको वैल्यूएशन करने रहते हैं, कुछ वैल्यूएशन को पता करते हैं डिसीजन मेकिंग के लिए, जिसमें एक तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है एक्स राइट प्राइस या पोस्ट राइट प्राइस बॉन्ड्स, जिन्हें हम फिक्स्ड इनकम सिक्योरिटीज भी बोलते हैं। फिक्स्ड इनकम सिक्योरिटीज का वैल्यूएशन कैसे करेंगे, जिनका सबसे
I don't think I can study any more than that for right now. So now it's time that we plan out this upcoming week for me. Just going to use my iPad for this. So guys, my Apple calendar is basically connected everywhere. Plus yesterday I saw this part of it and I got obsessed. So I really want to try it out. So basically guys, I'm planning to wake up super early at like 6:30 or 7. So you guys, I have organized my upcoming 1 week. We have waking up early at like 6:30 a.m. Then I have my first study session of the day, which will be like from 7 to 8 a.m. Afterwards I have left some empty space because I really want to explore what I can do in this time. Then I have get ready for the day, and then my articleship, which takes such a big chunk out of my day, which I don't like, but it is just how it is as of right now. And then we have coming back home, doing my dinner, talking with my family, and then my study session. So yeah, that's what my upcoming 1 week is going to look like. Let's see how much I will be able to follow it throughout this upcoming 1 week, and I'm going to keep you guys posted with it and how it goes. So
we go so good together. We look so good together. No stress, take